she's gonna need a tubby because she had a long trip. She's a
You
little.
guys got a puppy for us? I'm gonna tell my teacher.
Oh, give me a hug. What are you wearing?
We got a puppy.
Where did you even find that
One
thing?
of my friends from Ella.
Oh, it's late. Maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow, one of your
Where's she
friends
gonna
can go.
sleep?
Did you guys have tubbies?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
She found that in Daddy's closet.
Did they open the
No.
I just had her. She
No.
doesn't even snap.
So you know what those boxes were
What?
in there?
For a puppy.
Yes, it's a puppy crate and a bed and
A crate.
yeah.
Oh,